Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the Crafty Bird. I hope you're all doing fine. Today's tutorial is about this beautiful macrame purse. So let's get started. So for this bag, we are using these two rings and this nylon rope. This is 2 mm. The smaller ring is 6 inches and the bigger ring I'm using here is 10 inches. So now I'm going to wrap this small ring with the cord I'm using here, and then we will start our work. So initially I'm wrapping this like this so that these two rings join together. Now I will just wrap this smaller ring and then we will start work. So once we reach here, now we will wrap it in this way. Twice wrap over the bigger ring and then ring it over the smaller ring like this. And then again we have to wrap it like this 2 times and then over the smaller ring. So keep doing this. Two wraps over the bigger ring and then one wrap on the single ring, smaller ring. And then again 2 wraps over the bigger ring and then small. So once you reach to this point, now you will just wrap the whole ring from here to here, level up like from here to here. You have to just wrap this ring all over again without any gap, just like a normal wrapping like this. So in this way, I just completed this whole ring as you can see right now. And we have to make two rings like this. So now I have taken 170 inches of cord and I am making square knots. Okay, so I have centralized this and I tie this like this, and now we will attach this piece we are making for the base of this bag. So I have made these 3 square knots. Now I will join these like this. So this is joined like this. Now I will just take this out and I will keep this here. I will start joining this from here. So I will take this piece of square knot, first square knot rope, and will pass it through this space like this. Like this, and I will then bring it here, and I will make a square knot. So we have to take this extreme cord and we'll pass it through this, then bring it forward. And then this extreme cord here, pass it from the adjacent side of this bag like this, and then bring it forward, and in this way we will complete our whole base. So as you can see, this is how we are going to attach it. So we just completed our project today. I hope you love this beautiful macrame purse. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Until the next tutorial, please take care of yourself and Khuda Hafiz.